Hey friends, a lot of users are asking if Windows Defender or Windows Security is good enough in 2025. Before I answer this question, I'll tell you what to do with your system. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates. That is it. If the latest security updates are installed on your computer, there's a very rare chance that your system will be infected. Third party software products are not required, and even if you check their own manuals on what they offer extra over and above Windows security, they're simply saying protection with the webcam and other components. So at a basic level they are not required, but if you really want to make it super secure, then you can consider third party antivirus products, but trust me, they are overprotective, so I don't use them on my own computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice